Hello friends and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Iballdesigningdeveloper. Like in the previous videos, we have covered up many of the things using all different languages, and I hope you enjoy that all stuff which we have done yet. So today we'll be now building an amazing project using different language. Like you all know that we have covered up many of the projects using React 18, and we are also covering a big videos project. Like we have built projects using Next.js 13, React.js, and many other languages like Node.js as well. So today we are building project using Next.js 13, and today I will be telling you that how you can build an amazing ONE8 material UI using this amazing language of Next.js 13. You can say it ONE8 UI only. So many of the people has built material UI 5 or material UI, so I think that we should do some other thing, and I'm building ONE8 UI, and I'll be telling you how to build this ONE8 UI from start to end using Next.js 13. I will be just telling you all the stuff which a beginner needed to build this project, and I hope you'll be enjoying this video. So if you enjoy, understand this, so hit a like, and if you're new on this channel, hit the subscribe button, and after subscribing, hit notification bell as well, so you can just see all the coming up videos, because I'll be uploading more videos like that, and I hope you'll be enjoying and understanding that videos. Remember to check that all things, because that will giving help to a user if they want to build these all amazing things. So just now we'll be starting with our today's video, but before that, if you are new here and watching this video for the first time, so remember to hit a like, and if you're new on this channel, hit the subscribe button, and after subscribing, hit notification bell as well, so more people can learn about these things, and also share this video so more people can learn and they can take benefit of these amazing things. You can also check my previous React 18 and many other videos which I have uploaded, because that will giving you help. Like I've just built project using React.js, Node.js, and I've also built many of the clones like Twitter clone, Spotify clone. Then we have also built Facebook clone. You can check that clones out, which I have built using HTML, CSS like languages, and React.js and Next.js like languages as well. We have also built an amazing Amazon clone. You can also check that out, because that will giving help to a beginner if they want to build that clones from start to end. And I'm also uploading the React 18 tutorial. You can check that videos out, because that will giving the help to beginner if they want to learn React 18 from start. And before React 18, I have also started the JavaScript tutorial. You can check that JavaScript tutorial out, because I've covered up many of the videos using that JavaScript, so that will giving help to a user if they see that videos. So just now we'll be starting with our today's video, and basically we'll be seeing that how we can build ONE8 UI using Next.js 13, and what things we'll be using in this project from start. So just like I've telling you, we'll be just building an amazing project using amazing language of Next.js 13, and today I will be telling you how to build an amazing ONE8 UI using this amazing project of Next.js 13, or you can say amazing language of Next.js 13. We'll be building ONE8 UI with that. So for building this ONE8 UI template, here you have to open your VS Code. So I will be now opening my VS Code text editor, and after opening this, here I will be opening new window. And now I will be opening my folder which is created on the desktop with the name of UI ONE8 UI template. So this is my folder, and this is the main file. So I'll be raising all the codes from this main file, because we will be not needing these all stuff. So I'll be raising till this div close tag. Now this is the home page of ONE8 UI, which we'll be getting it here. So I'll be moving to this file as well, and then I will be now moving it here, and then I will be raising all the codes from here, because these are the import files, so we don't erase this code here, only these all things which we are getting it here. So I will be now erasing all the codes from here as well, then from here, and then after moving here you have to do same thing here as well. Save it. Now after doing that all things here, I will be closing these all main files which we are getting, and then you have to save it here and then close it. So I'll be moving to my main file, and after moving to this main file, I will be opening my VS Code. And after opening the VS Code, you have to open it in your default Google Chrome browser. You can see this file is totally empty, and we are not containing anything here. So I will be now doing it side by side. Coding side should be bigger, and then I will be pressing Ctrl V to close the side panel, because we will be not needing all that stuff. And after doing that all things here, you have to move to your main file to start your main codes. So for starting the main codes here, you have to move in the body tag, and after moving in the body tag here, you have to now just write a tag which should be like div class container. And after writing this container class here, you have to now just write here nav class. Then I will be just now writing here nav bar flex. Then I will be writing here row. After writing this here, you have to write a tag, and then here after writing this a tag, I will be now just moving, and after moving here, you have to just write h2, and in h2 I will be giving the class of left nav. Then you have to just now write here ONE8. So I will be writing here ONE8 span tag. Here I will be writing just now, I will be not giving a space, and then you have to now just write here class highlight, and then I will be writing here highlight text. Here you have to write UI in capital. You can write on any small your choice here. Then you have to just write here section class, then here I will be writing right nav flex, then I will be just writing here row. After writing this, here you have to write a tag slash get started. So here you can see this is the folder. Then I will be now just writing here intro file. So here it is. Now after writing this, here you have to now just move in this file, and then you have to write here p tag class document. Then I will be writing here docs like this, which is the short form of document here which we are getting. After writing this thing, you have to move down right here https slash github.com slash, then you have to now just write Piyush. So you can just give any of the you can say link of the GitHub if you want to give. Here I am just giving random link here. Then when you just written this, you have to write here target underscore blank. After writing this thing, just I will be moving right here I tag, and then you have to write here I tag class fab github. Then you have to write here icon sm. Then when you've written these all stuff, here you have to move down, and then I will be writing https slash www.linkedin. So here I will be now just writing here linkedin.com. Then I will be writing here slash in, and then right here like this thing. Then when you just written this, here I will be writing dash Piyush. Then you have to write here dash 9369, and then when you've written this, here I will be writing bb19a. Then right here slash, right here target is equals to underscore blank. Then when you've written this, I will be moving down right here I tag class, then write fab dash linkedin. So here I will be now just writing. Then you have to write here dash in icon dash sm. Now when you've written this, here you have to now just move at the back here like this. Then I'll be moving down after this nav tag, right here main class. Then I will be writing here main flex row. Then you have to just move down right here section class left main. So here I will be now just writing this tag. Then when you've written this, here I will be now just writing a tag which should be like p tag class head. So here I will be now just writing. Then right here build, and after writing this thing, here I will be writing build stunning. So here I will be writing build stunning UI. Then you have to write here span class. Then I will be writing highlight text like this. Then in the center I will be writing with speed. And then after writing here, you have to write p tag class. Then you have to write here subhead, and in this I will be writing ONE8 UI. So here I will be writing ONE8 UI is a CSS, or then here I will be writing library which helps in building. Then here I will be writing customizable, and then you have to write add. Here I will be writing user friendly, and then you have to write here websites. After writing this, I will be writing just copy and paste components. So here I will be writing and paste components like this. Then I will be writing at one click. Now when you've written this, here I will be moving down right here div class which should be like flex row. So here I will be writing flex row main buttons. After writing this main buttons, right here dot slash, or you can say directly slash, you can write get started. Here we will be writing. So I will be now just directly writing here get started slash. Then when you've written this, I will be now just writing here introduction dot html file, which is my main file. Then after writing this, you have to move in this tag, and after moving in this tag, here I will be writing button, and in this button I will be giving it the class btn primary. So here I will be writing in the center, you have to give it the name as button get started. And here I will be now just moving down after this close button tag which we have written. So after moving down after this a tag, here you have to write https slash github.com slash use. Then here I will be now writing same thing like I have written at the top. Then when you've just written this, here I will be writing slash ONE8 UI like this thing. Then you have to write here target is equals to underscore blank. Then here I will be moving down right here button class, and after writing the class, you have to write btn, and then I'll be writing here secondary. Then in the center I will be giving it the name as GitHub. Save it, then reload. So you can see we are getting all these buttons here and all the text which I have written at the top. After getting all this stuff, here you have to now make this a tag at the back like this. So I'll be making it at the back. Then you have to now move after this close section tag which we have written, and I'll be creating another section tag. Here I will be writing class right main. So here I will be now writing. Then you have to just write here image. In source I will be writing slash ss, and then after writing here I will be writing image slash, then write here landing page, and after writing landing page I will be writing .svc, which is the image name. Then I will be giving it the class of landing image. Now when you've written that all stuff, so this is being saved here. Then I'll be pressing backspace here, save it, then reload. So you can see now we are just getting the section here, but we are not getting our image. We will be getting when we'll be styling it moving forward. So after getting that all stuff here, I will be now moving to my main CSS file this time. So this is my components file. These are the components which I have linked here. So I have to don't write that all stuff. So I will be directly moved down and I will be writing my main codes here in this file. So after moving to this file here, you have to now just start from root because we have to set some of the colors here. So I will be now pressing Ctrl B. Here you have to now just write this colon, write here root tag, in which I will be writing main dash bg color, and in bg color I will be writing F5, F7, F9. Then you have to write here dash pm dash alert color. Then I will be writing 91C4 F5. Then you have to just write here and then I'll be writing here alert dash, then you have to write here color, and in this I will be writing 76C893. I am only setting the colors here. So I will be now writing want alert, right here color, then I'll be writing FFE169. So here I will be writing, then I will be now just writing DGR dash, then I will be writing alert, and right here color, which should be like FF8, then I'll be writing FAB. Now when you've written this, here I will be writing online. So here after writing this, I will be writing online, and in online I will be writing RGB 32 184 32. Then you have to close it, right here offline, and I will be now just writing here RGB again. Then you have to write here 187, and then you have to write here 179, close it. Then you have to write here DND and write RGB. After writing RGB, you have to write 233 104 104. Then you have to just write here num batch like this, and then write here RGB, and in this I will be writing 63 187 224. Close it. Then write here primary. So here I will be now just writing primary, which should be like 007 FFF like this. Then I will be writing here primary live. Here I will be writing 62 AD F8. Then write here dash secondary, and then after writing this I will be writing 0059 B2. Then I will be now just writing here disabled. So here after writing disabled, here I will be writing 007 FF75. Then I will be now just writing here warning, and then I will be writing here red. After writing this, you have to write here font color, and then you have to just write here white like this. And after writing this, you have to move down, write here a tag which should be like shadow color. And after writing shadow color, here I will be now just writing 333 like this. Now when you've written this, just here I will be now moving down after this tag, write here card dash bg, and after writing here I will be making F like this. Then I will be now just writing card bg, and in card bg you have to write here white. Then you have to write here dash card title, and then I will be now writing this dash here color RGB, then write here 255 80 133. Close it. Then here I will be now just writing dash cross, and here I will be now just writing here icon dash color, and here I will be now just writing 6C757B. Then you have to just write here card container and write here dash bg RGB, and after writing this RGB, here I will be writing 235, write here 233 and again 233. Close this tag directly from here by writing this close tag. Then I will be now just writing here gray color, and in gray color I will be now writing RGB, write here 131 128 128 again. Close it. And after closing this tag, here you have to move down, write here gray light. So here I will be writing, then write here RGB is 209. So here I will be writing, write here 204, and then write here 204. Close this tag. Then I will be writing here yellow, and you have to just write here shade, and in shade I will be writing DA BD. Then I will be now just writing 18 B2. Now when you've written this, just I will be writing doc container, and after writing doc container, here you have to just write margin, which should be 6 rem 000. Then you have to just write here gap 7 rem. Then you have to write here doc content and write here width, which should be 70%. Then you have to write here gap, which should be 2 em. After writing this, write here content, and I will be writing here content title margin, which should be 0. And then I will be now just writing here content subtitle, and here I will be writing font size 1.4 rem.
Then I will be now just writing here line height, and in line height I will be writing 3 rem, and then write here code snip like this. And after writing this, you have to write font size, which should be 1.3 rem. Z index I will be writing here -1. When you've written this, just write here dot example div, and write here example div should be align items in center. And I will be now just writing here border radius this time, which should be 0.5 rem. And after writing this thing, just here you have to move down, write here background color, which should be like var, and in this I will be writing main bg color. Then close it. Here I will be just writing gap 1.5 rem, and then right here justify content center. Then right here padding 2 rem like this. Right here dot navbar, and right here dot drawer like this dash. Then I will be now just writing here container. Right here display none, and then you have to just write here backdrop, and then right here display none like this. And then you have to write here position fixed. So here I will be now writing here position fixed, right here top 0. Then here you have to write left 0, and then right here width 100%. Then I will be writing height 100%. Then when you just written this, there I will be writing z index 18, and then right here background color, which should be RGB. Here I'll be writing 0.4. Then you have to just write here drawer like this, and write here position, which should be fixed. Then I'll be writing here top 0, and then right here left 0. And then when you've just written this, here I will be writing 100%. Right here width, which should be 260 pixel. So here when you've written this, then when you've just done with that all things, here I will be writing z index, which should be like 90. Right here background color white like this. Then when you've just written this, here I will be writing overflow as hidden. Then when you've just written this, I will be writing here display flex, and right here align items in center. Then when you've written this, here I will be writing flex direction column. Then you have to just write here padding 0.6 rem. Then write here transition, which should be 0.5s. And here we will be now just writing here transform translate x, and in translate x -100%. Here we will be writing close it. Then when you've just written this, here I will be writing drawer. Then right here left nav like this. And then when you've written this, I will be writing margin 2 rem auto. So here I will be writing right here @media screen, and then I will be just now writing here max width, which should be 700 pixel. After writing this, just you have to move down after making this column. Right here dot content, right here width 100%. And after writing this, just here you have to now move down, right here dot lib title, right here display none. And then you have to just write here navbar, then right here drawer dash container. And then when you've written this thing, just here I will be writing display block, and then save it here and reload. So you can see now we are just getting all this thing, but here we have style only components. If I show you, so you can see we have only style component. We have to style the main file as well. So I will be moving to main file here. After moving to this main file, here I will be importing URL. So I will be writing import URL, and then in import URL I will be writing /css/components. Then when you've written this, if I save here, then reload, so you will be seeing that we are just getting all this stuff here. But now we have to write the tags here. So I will be now just writing here margin 3 rem 00 like this. Right here padding 12 rem 000. Then right here justify content, which should be center, and right here align items in center. And then you have to write here gap 7 rem like this. Right here left main, and in left main I will be writing width 55%. And here I will be just writing dot head, right font size 5 rem. And then when you've just written this tag, here I will be writing line height, which should be like 6 rem. Right here font weight. So here after writing font weight, here you have to write 600. Write subhead here. So I will be now just writing here subhead margin top 1 rem, and right here font size. And in font size I will be writing 2 rem. Right here font weight 500. Then right here main buttons like this. Then right here margin top, which should be 2 rem. Right here gap, which should be like 2 rem. Then you have to just move down. Right here right main, Then right here width, which should be 45%. Now you have to just move down, and then after moving down here, you have to just now write here dot blending, and then right here image, right here object fit, which should be cover, right here width 100%. Then when you return this, here I will be writing at the rate media screen, and then I will be just writing here max width, which should be 700. Then you have to just move down after this tag, and here I will be writing dot head, right here font size 3.5 rem, like this. Then I will be writing here line height, so here I will be now just writing here line height, which should be like 4 rem. Now you have to just write here subhead again. After writing subhead, this time I'll be writing font size 1.6 rem. Then I will be just writing dot main, right here display, which should be like flex. Then when you've just written this, here I will be writing flex direction column. Then I will be now just writing right main. So here in right main I will be writing order -1. So here you have to write this. Now after writing, just save this, then reload. So you can see this, we are just now still not getting that all stuff. So after getting this, here we have to now move to navbar file as well, and we have to link that things as well from here. So after just writing that all things, here I will be moving to my file here, which is called navbar1. So here I will be now moving to my navbar file. So here I will be just moving to this. Okay, so we have written that all thing. After moving to this navbar file, here we have to also write some codes, so we can style this file as well. So for styling this, here I will be now writing the import URL CSS component. So for writing that, here I will be writing at the rate import. After writing import, I will be writing here URL, right here CSS slash components dot CSS. So here I will be writing slash at the back. Move in this file. So here I will be moving here. So now you can see we have just written this. So I will be closing this code from here. Then I will be writing here dot container, right here max width, which should be 120 rem, right here margin 0 auto. And after writing this, just here you have to write padding, which should be 0, 2 rem, 2 rem. Then you have to write navbar, and in navbar I will be writing align items, which should be center, right here width 100%. And after writing this, here you have to write position, which should be sticky, and then you have to just write here height, which should be 9 rem. So here I will be writing this. Then right here top, which should be 0. Then right here background color, and then I will be writing here white. Write z index, which should be like 2. Then you have to write here document, and in document I will be writing font size 1.5 rem. Right here font weight, which should be 600. Then I will be writing here margin 0.5 rem, 0.3 rem. Then right here left nav, and then you have to write here margin, and in margin I will be writing 0 auto, 0.1 rem. Then I will be now just writing here font weight 700. And then when you just written this, move down, right here right nav, and then write margin 0.1 rem, 0, and then I will be writing here auto. And here you have to just move down, right here align item center. So here I will be now writing. Then here I will be just now writing this tag here. Here you have to move down, right here gap 2 rem. So here I will be now writing. Then right here highlight, and after writing highlight I will be writing text, and then right here color var. Then I will be writing primary. Here you have to close this, and after closing this tag, here you have to now just write here at the rate media, and then right here screen, and then I will be writing here max width, which should be 350 pixel. Right here dot document, and margin, which should be like 0.3 rem. Right here 0.2 rem. Save it. Then you have to reload it here. So here you can see we are just getting all this thing here, and then in this file we are just getting the home page here. After getting this, here I will be moving to this sidebar file this time, and now you have to just style the sidebar here. So I will be writing dot sidebar, right here flex spaces 20 rem. So here I will be writing, then right here margin 1 rem, 0, 0, 1 rem. Then when you've just written this, here you have to write position sticky here as well. Then write top 17 rem here. Then when you've written this, here you have to write height 100%, and then you have to write here dot list topic, and then I will be writing here font size, which should be 1.7 rem. And then you have to write here font weight like this 600. Right here margin left, which should be 0.8 rem. Then you have to write here list subtopic like this, and write here list style, which should be none, and write here padding left 0. Then you have to write here font size, which should be 1.4 rem, and then you have to just write here gap, which should be 1.2 rem. Then when you return this thing, just I will be writing margin left, and then in margin left I will be writing 0.8 rem. Here you have to write list item like this, right here hover, then I will be writing not, and after writing this not, here you have to write dot active, and write this tag here, write color, which should be var, and in var I will be writing secondary. Here you have to close it, write here dot active, and then write here text color var, write here primary, close it, then write here @media screen ad, and then here you have to write max width. After writing max width, here I will be writing 700 pixel, then write here dot sidebar, and write here display null. So here save it, then you have to reload. So you can see we are just getting all this thing here. Now if I show you, you can see this here, we are getting the main page, and these are the document file, this is the get started file, and this is the GitHub file. Here we are getting that things. Now when you are getting these all stuff, so here I will be now moving to this utility file this time, and after moving to this utility file here, you have to now just write the things here as well. So for writing these all things here, you have to now just give all the effects here. So I will be now moving in this tag, press Ctrl B, write here font family, which should be poppin. So here I will be now writing this, then you have to write here comma, which should be sans serif, write here body, then I will be writing here margin top 0, then I will be now just writing this file, write here font size, which should be 62.5%, then write here h1, and in h1 I will be writing here font size 3.2 rem, and after writing this, here you have to write h2 tag, and in h2 I will be writing font size 2.4 rem. Then I will be just moving down, right here h3, which should be font size, and then font size 1.9 rem here. And after writing this, here you have to just now write here h4, write font size here, which should be 1.6 rem, margin 0. Then you have to now just write h5 here, and in h5 you have to write font size, which should be 1.328 rem. Then you have to write here h6, and in h6 I will be writing 1.2 rem here. And then when you've just written this all stuff here, I will be writing p tag. Then again you have to write font size 1.4 rem. Here you have to write main container this time, which should be align items, and then I will be writing here center, background color, which should be like var. Then I will be writing main bg color, close it, write here display flex. And after writing this display flex, here you have to now just give it the gap here 2 rem, then write here height auto, and then you have to just write here justify content center. Then when you return this, here you have to write margin 5 rem, then you have to write here padding 2 rem, then you have to just write here width 50 rem, then you have to just write here relative, which should be position relative, then you have to write here absolute like this, then I'll be writing position absolute, and here you have to write none. So here I will be writing display none. Then I will be now just writing here a tag, write here text decoration, which should be like none. So here I will be writing right here color black. So here I will be now just writing this. Then I'll be writing icon LG, and here you have to write font size, which should be 3.5 rem. So here I will be writing 3.5 rem. Right here icon dash MD. Then I will be writing here font size. Here I will be writing 2.5 rem. Right here dot icon SM. Then I will be now just writing here font size, which should be like 1.5 rem. Then I will be writing flex row. So here I will be writing this display flex, and here I will be now just writing flex column, and then right here display flex. So here I will be writing display flex like this. And then when you've written this, just I will be moving down, and then here when you've written this thing, just here you have to now move here and write here flex direction, which should be like column. Then you have to just move down and write here font SM, write here font size 1.3 rem. Then when you've just written this, here you have to write font MD, and then you have to just now write here font size, which should be 1.6 rem. Then write here font LG. So here I will be writing font size, which should be 2 REM. Save it. Then you have to reload. So here you will be seeing that we are just getting all this. So here I will be moving to my file. You can see this is the index file which we are getting here. And after getting these all files here, I will be now just moving in this folder like this. And then you have to just now write here link rel. Then you have to write slash css slash components file. Then write here link slash css slash. Then here you have to write this file which is called sidebar. Then write here link slash css slash then this utility file. Save it. Then reload. So here when you will be reloading this, so you will be getting all this stuff here. And after pressing this, you can see we are just getting all this all stuff. So now we have to just open our folder here. So I'll be now opening new window directly from here. And then here I will be opening my folder from which I have created all that stuff. So here I will be moving to this folder. And then I will be opening it. You can see we have opened our folder and we are containing all that files which we needed. Now I will be opening this file with the live server here. So after opening this file with the live server, you can see you have to wait a while and you can see we are getting our home page ready. So it has now opened this. You can see all the codes which we have written. It is working here. And if I move to components file, so these are the components which we have written. So just move here CSS. So these are the components which we have written. You can see and all the things are working here. So I'll be moving, and if I just show you by full screening it, so you can see this is our amazing project which we have built, ONE8 UI template. So here if I press get started, so you will be moving to its introduction and its starter templates. You will be getting alert, and in alert you will be getting all the things about alert, like what is alert tag, how you can use it. Then like this you can move to avatars, so you will be getting all the avatars of the images, how you can use it. So this is the amazing info ONE8 UI template which we have built. By pressing get started, you can get started to its introduction. You can just move to components and you can just see the component which you don't understand. You can copy the codes as well by pressing Ctrl C from here, or you can just right click it and then from there you can copy. You can also go to its documents here. These are the documents which you'll be getting, like avatar you will be getting here, badge, and then buttons you will be getting. You can just see that all things, and if you don't know how to just make these all buttons, you can also copy the codes from here which is provided down, like we are just getting in the material UI as well. So like this we have built this amazing ONE8 UI template using Next.js 13. I hope you understand how we have built this project. If you have understand, enjoy this video, so hit a like, and if you're new on this channel, hit the subscribe button, and after subscribing, hit notification bell as well if you want to see more videos like how to build this ONE8 UI and many others. So I'll be building that in future. So just I hope you understand that. So I'll be meeting next project with more amazing things and more amazing tutorial using these amazing languages. So for today, goodbye.